Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to create custom style switches for Android. We will create switches in rectangle, round, and squircle shapes. First of all, create a new blank project in Android Studio, and then we will get started. Before beginning, please subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get the notification for the latest video. Okay then, let's get started. Navigate to styles.xml. Change dark action bar to no action bar. Now, create a new linear layout. Give it width and height, match parent. Orientation, vertical. And gravity, center. Press Ctrl L to auto indent. Create a new switch element of height and width as wrap content. Give it the ID, rectangle switch. Open colors.xml, and create a new color resource red, with the given hexadecimal value, indicating off state. Create one more color resource green, with the given hexadecimal value, indicating on state. Now create a new drawable file, named as rectangle thumb. Create a rectangle shape. Create a solid of white color. Give height and width of 24 dp. Create a transparent stroke, of width 4 dp. Now create a new drawable file, named as rectangle track. Create a new state selector item, with state checked, true. Inside that, create a new rectangle shape. Create a green color solid. Copy and paste the item, and change the state checked value to false. And change the solid color value, to red. Navigate to main activity layout. Add track property in switch, and set its value to rectangle track. Add thumb property, and set its value to rectangle thumb. Now, let's test our application in actual device. To display my phone on PC, I am using Screen Copy application, developed by Genie Mobile. Its link is provided in the description. Very well, it's working as expected. Let's proceed. Add some padding to rectangle switch. Copy and paste rectangle switch, and change the ID to round switch. Copy and paste rectangle thumb drawable, and rename to round thumb. Add corner radius of 20 dp, to make the existing shape completely round. Now, copy and paste rectangle track drawable, and rename to round track. Add corner radius of 48 dp, in both the shapes. Navigate to main activity layout. Change thumb value of round switch to round thumb, and track value to round track. Now, copy and paste round switch, and change the ID to squircle switch. Copy and paste round thumb drawable, and rename to squircle thumb. Change the radius value to 5 dp. Copy and paste round track drawable, and rename to squircle track. Change both the radius values to 6 dp. Navigate to main activity layout. Change thumb value of squircle switch to squircle thumb, and track value to squircle track. In any switch, set the checked property to true, to check the behavior in the preview. Now, let's check our application in a real device. Working pretty nice. That's it for now. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, and have a nice day.